Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a website that's gaining a lot of attention in the world of trading, TastyTrade. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, TastyTrade offers some interesting features that are definitely worth checking out. Let's take a closer look at what this site has to offer. TastyTrade is an educational platform that focuses on providing traders with the tools and resources they need to succeed in the world of options trading. The website is clean, easy to navigate, and packed with valuable content, from live shows and video tutorials to market analysis and trading strategies. One of the main attractions of TastyTrade is its pricing structure. If you're interested in using their brokerage services, they offer commission-free trading on stocks and options. For options trades, they charge a flat fee of just $1 per contract, which is relatively low compared to many other brokerage firms. They also provide a competitive $0 fee for stock trades, making it an attractive choice for anyone looking to minimize trading costs. TastyTrade's platform is built with the active trader in mind. It features advanced tools for options analysis and execution, along with options for customizing charts and watching real-time data. Plus, they have an educational library that is quite expansive, covering a wide range of topics from the basics of options to complex strategies. It's a great resource if you want to learn as you trade. For users interested in more advanced features, the site offers premium services. TastyTrade's Pro membership includes access to additional tools, advanced charting, and deeper market insights, all designed to help traders make more informed decisions. The membership pricing is clear and accessible, with options to fit different needs and budgets. In terms of support, TastyTrade provides helpful resources like live chat, email support, and a comprehensive help center, which makes getting assistance quick and easy. To sum up, TastyTrade is an excellent choice for traders who want low-cost commissions, a variety of educational content, and powerful trading tools. If you're looking to enhance your trading skills or trade on a platform designed for active traders, TastyTrade might be exactly what you need. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews and updates. See you in the next video.